Greetings, my friends. This is Miss Tania Lou here in Canada, getting excited for the 60-day countdown to Jamaica 60 Diamond Jubilee Independence. Yes, me in association with Jamaicans.com, we are going to give 60 interesting facts about our island in the sun. So here is fact one. Did you know that Jamaica has the most churches per square mile than anywhere else in the world? Yes, my dear, we have over 1,600 plus churches. And it is recorded in the Guinness World Book of Record that we have the most churches per square mile. Yes, and we that. Happy Independence, Jamaica. And thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, D-O-R-A-Y-T-E-E. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?